This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 9 Communication Styles. In this video, we explore the fascinating topic of communication styles, the different ways individuals communicate and interact. Effective communication requires understanding others' styles and adjusting our own accordingly, as the style itself, not just the content, impacts relationships and can create or resolve conflicts. The noble communication style values directness, truthfulness, and speaking one's mind openly, without ambiguity or concern for consequences, though this can sometimes come across as impractical or ineffective. Noble communicators are assertive, organized, and focused, often perceived as good leaders, but they can also become overly aggressive, intolerant, and perfectionistic, unable to tolerate situations or information that fall short of their standards. The Socratic communication style prioritizes rhetoric and analysis, with a strong command over language and a love for engaging in discussions and persuading others, though excessive talking can be tiresome. Socratic communicators skillfully use rhetoric, persuasion, and deep analysis to convey ideas, enhancing their credibility and explanatory abilities. But they can also exhibit rhetorical rigidity, poor listening skills, arrogance, and dogmatism. The reflective communication style emphasizes maintaining personal relationships through politeness, submissiveness, and consideration, with a focus on being patient listeners who aim to provide solutions and help overcome problems in interactions. Reflective communicators are accurate, patient, supportive, open to discussion, and empathetic in reconciling past issues, but they can also be passive, indecisive, and vulnerable to being taken for granted. To become a successful orator, teacher, spouse, or parent, one must learn the art of effective communication, which helps build good relationships and leads to a meaningful, successful life. We should be cautious in our communication behavior, understand others' styles, and adjust our own style accordingly, as communicating in a manner attuned to others' styles will lead to better mutual understanding and effective communication. While each communication style has its strengths and limitations, discerning which style is optimal in a given context and tailoring our approach to the audience's mindset, mood, and context is crucial for maximum impact. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.